So next for Bravos, it says to simulate another 5 trips to McBurgers. Did you get all 3 action figures this time? So I'm going to go back to my probability right here. And what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video. You're going to click on your random number generator. And you're going to put those results right here. So I want you to do trip 6 through 10. And you're going to answer the question whether or not you got all 3 toys on this trip of 5. Pause the video now if you haven't already. All right, you're back. So again, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these filled in. Whether either I did get all 3 toys, I did not get all 3 toys. Okay. Going back over here to our textbook, you're going to do the simulation at least 20 times. That is 20 sets of 5 random numbers. Keeping track of how many times you got all 3 toys in 5 tries and how many times you did not. So what that means is, I want to make sure that you understand. So right now you should have this one and this one filled out. You need to have all this page right here filled. And you're going to continue to click all the way until trip 100. And you need to keep track of all those. Okay? So I want you to do that now. Pause the video and come back to me when you're finished with trip 100. All right, you're back? Well, what we need to do is we need to look at how many of these trips of 5 was successful. In other words, if this was mine, I would count this group right here as 1 because I have 1, 2, 3 toys. Over here, I have 2 and I have 3, but I missed 1. So I can't count this one because I don't have all 3 toys. So go back through and count how many of these groups of 5 were you successful with, including, don't forget to count this one that we did together, okay? So do that, and once you've figured that out, write it down right here, and then join me on letter C.